I'm just setting up this link here. Just bear with me, guys. I am trying to get this started. Okay. Hi, YouTube. This is Cameron Simpson from Trades 101. Thank you for joining me here today. Sorry about the problems. I had issues this morning. I could not log on for some reason. So thanks for joining me here today. So let's jump on in here and check out some Power Hour, guys. We got some good stuff happening today. So let's jump on. I'm using the platform Webull today, and let's get it out of the way. I'm not a broker or a financial advisor, so take everything with a grain of salt and do your own due diligence. So let's jump on into AMC ticker symbol. We are currently at 12:09 in the afternoon on Tuesday. So, wow, what a night. I was up till 4 in the morning watching pre-hour and then fell asleep right by my computer here, waiting for the new day to start here. So, I just wanted to go over AMC today. We had a bit of a sell-off here at approximately about 5 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. That's good. That's good. We're gonna get a little consolidation here. That's not gonna hurt us. It's looking pretty good right now. Okay. We had a huge buy-in though this morning. Just be like probably about an hour ago. Almost 1 million shares. Like nice. Kudos. We need the volume, guys. We need lots of volume here to make this thing happen, to squeeze. Definitely we're going to see a squeeze. I would definitely I wanted to cover something that you should go over to this guy's account there. He's AMC stock. He has some pretty interesting stuff over there. I don't know if I can get it up on the screen here, but I'm going to read it for you. I know it's not showing up on that screen. I'm just going to read this out for you if I can find it. Okay. It's got to go back in the archives here a bit. I don't know. Maybe he pulled it off. But you can look on, it was under Twitter. It was a Twitter account here. Somebody's a Twitter account. So what it is, well, let's get this off the screen here. So what they were discussing was it's about there could be a possible short squeeze happen. It's going to be squoze, a mini bump. I call it a mini bump. Okay, where it's going to go up, right? And they're going to look. It's going to be fake, right? And they're going to drive it back down. Their famous ladder attack, their speed trading, I call it, and drive it back down. So it looks like it squoze, but it didn't. Kind of like the $20 thing that happened earlier in the year. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. So, just wanted to jump over here. There we go. Now I got it working. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that the chats were working here. You guys want to drop me a chat to see if I'm getting this, if everything's working here, guys. Here, let's give me a minute here, and then we'll get into more into this. I'm just gonna make sure everything's synced here properly. Oops, sorry about that. I'm always banging that mic. They gotta take it away from me. Okay, live chat skis. Just a test. Create a channel to join the chat. What? You guys need to join a channel? He is a sub. Let's just check this out here. Something's going weird here. Something's going weird here. Got some weird stuff going on. Subscribed. Well, okay. Okie dokie. Yeah, so somebody drop me a chat there. And then we'll see if you guys are getting this here. I'm going to try something here. So yeah, energy. Okay, thanks. So yeah, there we go. Somebody's dropped me a chat there. I just seen it come up. Andre King TV. I can hear you clear. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So back to this fear mongering. They're going to be fear mongering on this stock for sure. They're going to be trying everything they can, these hedge funds, to get us to sell, paper hands this. We don't want to do that. Definitely we don't want to do that. Okay, it's one of these things that is we're so involved in this, a majority of people, that we want this to squeeze, that when it starts going up, you're going to be just right on the button ready to sell. Okay, guys, this is going to happen for a couple days. It's not going to be a day, 2 days. It's not going to go up and then all of a sudden, bam, it's going to go back down in like an hour. Okay, it's not going to be like that. Okay, you definitely want to be watching this. And the thing is, you do want to be ready. Okay, there's one thing that I would like to educate you guys on is putting your sell target, or there's multiple up here in Canada. We call it your sell rate. Okay, the place where you want to sell, your sell point. Okay, different platforms use different stuff. Okay, so what I would not do is I would not set it for $50, $100. Don't use an even number, okay? Set it for something like $800, okay? You're not going to miss out on this. You just got to watch. Use the rule of thumb of CS Trades 101. You check the market 4 times a day. 4 times, okay? It's really simple. If you're at work, you check it on your breaks. It takes 2 seconds. Use Webull platform. It's very accurate, very fast, and it's on real time. If you're up here in Canada and you try using something like Wealthsimple.trade, I got dog hair all over me. My dog was just playing with me. If you're using something like Wealthsimple.com trading platform, it is 15 minutes behind, okay, of real-time trading. It's something you don't want to do, okay, if you want the most accurate. Okay. Does anybody have any questions at all that they wanted to ask at all? Go ahead and type if you want. I know there's a couple viewers out there I can see logged on. So yeah, introduce yourselves. Are you one of my subs? On and on and on. It's nice to have you here, by the way. Thanks for joining us here today. But this is an open line, and it's meant for if you have questions just to ask away. Because I'm here to help you out. You have to remember, do everything due diligence and do your own homework, okay? I can give you advice on what I would do, but of course you do what you want, right? Because you're the one pushing the buttons, okay? But let's just let's just jump into this here. I'm gonna throw this down at the corner here. I need to buy. I got more computer equipment coming today, so just bear with me. I already got 2 monitors. This is getting so busy that I got to get more stuff, which is not a problem. It's called investing in your business, right? Okay, we got a little bit of consolidation happening here. We're on the 1-minute chart and we are using Webull. Okay, and sorry about the here. I'll close that. All these guys with these high performing exhausts. Ah, sorry about that, guys. Okie dokie. So. Okay, let's jump in here. Again, we're covering ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings, and we had a bit of a sell-off here about just as I got online. Yeah, wow, man, that's a pretty big dump there. 161,000 shares just got dumped. Okay, we got a little bit of consolidation here, which is good. What do we got? We got the MA crossing over the EMA. I can't see that. What is that? Yeah, we do. So what's that going to do? That's going to drive the price up. That's the signal right there that it's going to go up a bit. Okay, watch. I'll call it ahead of time. So if you're buying right now, now's your buy. Now's your buy, and they're testing it out, eh? Now's when you want to buy in. Okay, because you're going to get a little bit cheaper here. It's going to go up a little bit more today, guys. We got power hour here. And if it doesn't, you want to buy in anyways, man, because this thing's going to squeeze, right? Like you're getting it at $10.11. I usually don't buy on a green day, right? That's just rule of thumb. But with something that's volatile like this, you only have certain opportunities to get in there, right? That's only what I would do. Okay. And so, yeah, we're getting some sideways action here, which is fine. Okay. It's fine. You need that. We need to build some more volume up here to slam it up to the next level. Okay, I just want to test out. So what we want to break right now is we want to get past this. It looks like we keep on testing this line of $10.12. We got to move past that. Let's see how much volume we got here today. We've already moved 44.20 million shares today. That could be bought, sold. That's volume in general moving around, right? Just so you know. And we did open at $9.94 today. The high has been at $10.48, and it drove us back down to $10.11. Okay. I'm very bullish on this stock. I'm all happy. I'm just excited, and I've already made a little bit of money in one trader's account with wealthsimple.com, my trading platform broker. There, I bought at $8.20. The other one through my bank, I did buy at $14 and something. So I am still not broke even with that, but I'm okay with that. At least I own those shares. I own about 745 shares through the bank, and I own another, I think 100 and some chump change through Wealthsimple. Okay. The problem why I did that is because it was it's faster to do through different platforms, right? It was a very busy time when I bought those shares. Okay, let's check out. We got a bit of a sell-off here. I'm just going to jump on my phone. I just got a message here, guys. Oakley dokley. So, yep. Okay. Should I buy more shares today on AMC? I'm taking, assuming it's AMC that you're wondering if you wanted my advice to buy some more shares. As you know, I can't really tell you that, but if it was me, I would definitely buy it. It looks like we're getting a bit of a red here. If this thing goes down, I would actually hold on a bit here. I would actually hold on. I would definitely buy today, but like just it looks like we're getting a bit of a sell-off here. Don't go buy this stuff down here. As of all my other videos, we've shown that this is a bunch of crap. Pardon my language. That's why it's not checked off for kids. No kids, only adults, only on this channel. Because I got a potty mouth sometimes. So, yeah, we're going to get a lot of up and down action here. There's a lot of consolidation on this level, eh? A lot of sideways action. They were testing that one line. We got 2 lines to break here. The first at $10.11, and then we got to try to get past this. We keep on bouncing off this. We bounced off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 to 7 times we've tried, and it's rejected us. So thanks, Energy, for dropping that note there. Yes, I would definitely, if it was me, I would definitely be buying, because we don't know what this is going to look like. We're still going to have red days on this, though, okay? We still have till, what is it, June 2nd until there's share count, but they've already know that there's issues with it. They already know that there's ghost shares out there, fraudulent shares, synthetic shares, man-made shares, like out of the thin air. So it's called a lot of different stuff, and we all know that, right? So, yeah, it's sure having problems with that, eh? $11. We need more volume. Oh, here we go. Here's some volume coming in now. We're at 44.86 million so far traded. Okay. Yes. Let's put that up there just because it's verbally, then people can't see it. Some people just hit the closed caption, and just watch this. Like I used to do that too, just other side of the house there, and yeah. So yeah, I wanted to say that this channel's grown substantially. This is the second time I've gone live, so that's, our viewers are pretty low. I don't think that many people know that I do go live. I don't usually. It's just that I'm gonna start doing this, just because, right? Just because we're getting very close to some serious action here with this stock, and I just wanted to cover that. I'll definitely be doing probably a podcast. There's some information that's come up. I just wanted to make sure that I got some stuff to back it. I like to show you guys some factual information. I don't like to just to do. Okay, I just got asked a question on another thing here on Facebook, because we stream multiple places here. So Dogecoin. I'm just going to jump off this chart, and we're going to go into some Doge here and check this out. Dogecoin was at $44. It's gone up a bit. It's up 7% right now. Yeah. Let's have a look here. Oh, is that 51, and she went down a bit. So that's what you need to bust past, is that 51. Yeah, it's been a while since it's been 51, A couple days. Yeah, I noticed that this is a perfect paper hand stock. It's up and down like a roller coaster here. It is what it is, right? This is if I was going to do the crypto walk, man, this is the stock. This is the one I would buy. I wouldn't be touching anything else. I wouldn't be going Bitcoin. That's blood money, right? I don't know if you know the difference between blood money and enviro money. I will explain. Okay, so there's 2 different types crypto's made. Okay, crypto is made with, here in Canada and the States, 90% of it, maybe even higher, I just know it's 90 and above, is made with hydro or wind power energy. Okay, making crypto, mining crypto takes a substantial amount of power. It doesn't take that much internet service, believe it or not. I thought it would be the opposite way around, but it's not. It doesn't take that much data to mine it, but it takes a substantial amount of energy and RAM in your computer. Okay, so the Chinese do own majority, like Bitcoin is from there, and it's mined mostly there. Okay, what they do is they use fossil fuels to mine it, which is so bad for the environment. We're talking coal energy. Okay, and there's other types, oil. There's a couple different types over there. Nuclear energy. That's how they produce their power over there. Okay, so they mine this Bitcoin with that power. Their power is some of the cheapest in the world. Okay, and it's controlled by their market, by their government. As we know, their economy is not stable. Their government is not stable. He has an itchy trigger finger. Like, look at him parading his nuclear weapons on war day up and down the street. That's not normal, man. That's not normal behavior. Okay? So, who backs the crypto? Well, they do. That type of crypto. Okay? Bitcoin and stuff. So, I would not buy Bitcoin. That's just me, but I personally would not buy Bitcoin. I would buy Doji. Doji's a cleaner, environmentally safe, it's clean crypto. Okay, it's American Canadian crypto. It is backed by a bunch of trading platforms with insurance through our sectors over here. Okay, Doji could possibly hit up like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumped by the Chinese economy. They have lots of money, right? The only backing is by the people. There's no banks backing it. There's nothing, no government. It's not backed by anybody. Okay. So the problem with crypto, it is what it is. It's only worth what people say it is. Okay. It does not like a legal tender, like the government money, like our money that we spent cash. It's not the same. Our governments back that, right? So yeah, we are getting a little bit of a high today though. I could possibly see this in the next couple months hitting a buck, right? It never has in the last 52 weeks. So it's just showing the highest it went to was 74 cents. A lot of people sell this too. A lot of people hold, but there's a lot of people that's why it goes like this. There's a lot of day traders that use these because the market runs 24 hours a day, right? So oh, my next store today. Oh, it's one of those days. Okay, so let's jump back into, unless you guys got something else, I just want to blast over here and have some AMC look ski. Nice, nice, nice. I know it's going down and you're like, Cameron, why are you saying nice? No, I just can see that there's a lot of volume coming in here right now. Some of it's negative volume, but it's volume, right? It's not gonna. It has to go up and down. Like it's not gonna just go straight up. See, there's an issue. The short interest on this is very, very high right now. In the next couple of days, you're gonna see some weird stuff happening. Like watch this mini spike, mini squeeze. So if this thing goes up to say even like $30-$40, do not sell unless you have to. I know everybody is in their own situation and a lot of people have their like student money involved in this. I've read articles on it. I've actually got articles sent to me. Yeah, people have different aspects in life. Life changes daily. Okay, so you don't mentally and comment on people and beat them up over something that they sold or they're happy that they made this much money and meanwhile you're like, well, you could have made 20 times more. Those are what ifs. The factual information is what's in front of you and what that ticker symbol says today, not down the road, right? That's speculating, okay? So people can do whatever they want. I'm not on this channel to put people down, and I just don't. I'm glad that we have a very respectful group, and they don't put people down on the chat, okay? Even though I am very new to this channel, it's a very good group of people here, okay? So I just want to. I just want to check out the VWAP. This is usually used for day trading, the VWAP. Okay, we're testing the line of it right now. It's at $10.06. The VWAP. It'd be volume. Ew. I guess I just want to check this. What line we're bouncing off the 30? Okay, we did hit the 30 at 12:30. We hit the 30 on the IRS or RSI. Okay, we're below the VWAP right now. We're going down a bit. So if it goes down, guys, that's just cheaper for sale, right? Just it's cheaper to buy. Sorry about that. So, anyways, let's jump in here. Okay. Sundial Edge. Some marijuana stocks. Okie dokie. Sundial. I'm just going to pop some of this stuff off here. We'll take the VWAP off. We'll take, I'm just going to leave those lines on there. We are going to take the RSI off. It opens up that chart more. Okay, we're sitting in ticker symbol SNDL. Okay, we're sitting at 0.75 cents. Okay, we're in the green, 3.43% above. Okay, we got more buyers than sellers right now. Oh wow. Wow, they moved a lot of, there's a lot of volume going through this stock today. 176.4 million shares. They've gone through, they've overturned 8%, just over 8% of the whole kit and caboodle here. That's pretty good, man. There's a lot of good news around Sundial right now. Sundial has gone partners with bought a whole bunch of Spirit Leaf. They bought a bunch of companies up there just in Canada. They're just buying up everything. So the money they're making on these stocks, they're reinvesting. So they're, whoever's running this company, or the majority of people are running this company, there's probably a bunch of them, are definitely know what they're doing, and they're definitely reinvesting in to capitalize to take over the country. They already have a plan, and they're sticking to it, and they're hammering away on it because it's definitely this could potentially go up. I don't know about a day. I think this is one more that you would have to hold for a long time. That's just my opinion. I don't see this thing squeezing or anything crazy in the next little bit. Down the road, possibly, right? I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but I'm just giving you straight up. But to go long on this, you can make yourself some good money. Like in about 4 or 5 years, if you held this for 5 years, it could be up pretty high. She could be up in the $20 range, $10, $20 range. I could see that for sure. For sure, because there's more medical stuff coming out with marijuana. It's especially with the cancer industry and hormones and all that stuff that they're mixing with these CBDs and stuff. They're making cocktails out of this stuff. And wow, like so I've actually tried some of the CBD oil from the Canadian Marijuana Society, and wow, man, they got some good stuff up here. It gets rid of the pain within seconds. Just rub it on your injury and gone, right? It subsides it down to a manageable amount, right? Like 10-15%, so you can manage it for the day. Okay, here's another one I just was asked about on Facebook here. Okay, CGC, Canopy Growth. Canopy Growth just bought, just give me a second here, Supreme. Yeah, Supreme. They just bought up Supreme. So what it's looking like is that they're going to, there's only going to be a handful of companies up here now. All these little companies that opened up are pretty much joining as one. These big franchises are buying up everything. These brick and mortar companies, which is awesome, right? I guess at least they're a Canadian company, and at least they're not, they're putting the money back in the economy here. So this stock is a little bit different. See, this is where I could see Sundial being in the next 5 years. Okay, we have only turned over not even 1% of volume today. Very low volume, 3.57 million. That's it, and we're almost done. We only got like another 22 minutes. And she's a Dunsky. She's shut down for the day. So let's cover some Microvision here. Microvision is 14.46 today. We are in the green, 4.33% positive green status. And here we go. We're going up a little bit more. We were, what was the high today? Okay, we opened at $12.95. The high was $14.93. And we're now trading at $14.46. I don't see anything. That was nice. Where's your buy-in? Right there. Right, or right here. Oh, there's a hammer. That's what that symbol means, is a hammer right there. Wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful consolidation up again, eh? Somebody could have a lot of people set their buy limits, and it really messes you up, man, especially if you're trying to make money. If you're day trading, it's fine, but if you're going long on something and you're trying to actually make some really good cake, on a long chart, there's way different rules for that. And if you want to learn more about that on weekends, we do have symbols. We discuss. It's our learning session, right? I'll teach you about charting. So about how to read charts, symbols, on and on, about dividends, about how it works, and on and on and on. But yeah, it's on weekends. You can we could be doing it live or we could not. Depends on how the week is, but there'll always be a video available on the weekend, at least one. Okay. I'm going to cover some Canadian stuff here. Air Canada, ticker symbol AC. Okay, right now it's $24.97. We're in the negative 0.12%, which is nothing, but in the red's in the red. So we're looking like we're going to get a little bit of a go here. Oh, put this in the 1 minute. I was doing some homework. Looks like I was doing some charting. So there isn't that much volume through here, 2.43 mil today, which is not bad for Air Canada. Nothing exciting, no news out or anything like that. It's this is average, right? I do own a substantial amount in this. It's a no-brainer with this one. It's around this stock. Like before all the COVID stuff, like look at 52 weeks ago, it was $31. This thing, when our restrictions are lifted, is going to slam to the moon. I don't know how long it's going to stay there, but it's going to go up there. It's going to go up there because everybody has travel bug right now, right? Like including me. As soon as this COVID stuff's over, I'm gone. I'm off to Mexico, man. I'll be trading on the beach, doing my trades all day on the beach, right? I just bought a laptop. It should be here any day to do that, right? Wherever I am, I can do my trades, man. Wherever, if I see some news or something pops up, I just jump right online for you guys and document it. So it's documented, right? I use a lot of my videos for documenting stuff, man, into like archives and stuff, like my archives on my videos. So like if I shoot a video and I want to go back, say 2 months, and it's say on Sundial, for instance, we'll use Sundial or Air Canada, it doesn't matter what stock. I can see verbatim, which means exactly like clockwork, everything are the same. I can see what it was trading at. Instead of going into these trading platforms, I can actually see the actions through the day because it's the full chart. If you use Webull or any of these trading, you can go back into the time frame, but you can't actually see it live, right? As far as I know, if there's something out there that does, definitely get a hold of me, right? That'd be awesome. So Wolfpack. So I guess you guys got a little, if you've been following and doing the investments strategy of CS Trades 101, you probably have a lot of money in your account, eh? And you owe a lot all to yourselves, not me. You guys are doing the work, right? Just want to jump into NIO. Okay, we're going to check that out for you guys. Okay. Thanks for that. Okay, so NIO was asked to look this up. Not a problem. That's what today's about. Okay, AC. Oh, sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, NIO Inc. Okay, it's a electric car company out of China. Okay, trading around $34.95. We're in the positive 1.84%. Okay. Oh, wow. A lot of volumes pumped through here today. Whoa. 108.78 million shares have traded today. Wow. A lot of those look like sells. A lot of it people selling. Overturned 6.64% has overturned the whole. That's everything. Selling, buying, selling. That's just the action on this on the stock today. So, yeah, got some good numbers flipping in here. Yeah, not bad at all. This stock is just all. It's funny, eh? Look at that W. Okay, head and shoulder. It's funny how when you always have a buy-in on these W's, right? Here, I'll blow this up so you can see it. You'll see a couple green. See, do you know what that is? Three soldiers. That's what that's called, guys. When you have a downtrend followed by an uptrend and you have three in a row, it's called three soldiers. Just so you guys know, right? A little bit of education for the day. But if you see this, the ones they're gonna when it's gonna run, when it's gonna go up a bit, you'll always see that. You'll see a couple green followed by a red, and then more green. So when you see that and it hits a green again, it goes red and green, it means that the down got rejected. Okay, the line of the support, it bounced off the line of support and drove it back up. It means that it could not push it down. Okay, so that is your buy-in. There's two different ones. Obviously, you could buy in here, but how are you going to know it's going to go up? Right? You know what I mean? Like, it's just you're gambling. But right here, that's a sign right there that it's going to go up. Okay. Same right here. Look at, see? We don't know how long it's going to go up for. That all depends on the amount of volume, who's selling, the news on this stock. If some news came out, meanwhile, the stock's trading. There's a whole bunch of contributing factors into that. See, here's another one right here. See, there's the proof is in the pudding. It is how it is. I just explained that. Okay. So if you would have bought in here, you did pretty good because you would have bought in right here. Of course, the best would have been here, but realistically, you would have caught it by here, and same as here, right? So these have been day trading though, like to buy in right there, because you'd want to sell when it got to here. I'd be selling out, right? I'd probably sell about here because it'd take me a bit to figure out just with the side action. Then I see a little bit of consolidation. I see more sell, and then when I seen that dive and how long these wicks are, means there's a big range. It was your resistance level was 35.40 and your support level was 35.28 on that. Okay. Well, so there it is again, right? That's the buy point right there. Everybody goes, oh yeah, there's a buy point down there. Yeah, that is the ultimate buy point. But by the time you can put the order through and all that stuff, you're most likely going to hit it here. If you see this again, jump on it, right? If it was me, I would. But you do your own DD. I got to keep on reiterating that. Sorry, guys. It's just that, yeah. I do want to check out Loop Ski, though. Loop Energy, Hydrofuel. Okay, this one is weird. It's suspended again. It's down to $7. Remember I told everybody I'd buy it when it was $7? It's coming down. I called this. They're only a couple months old. Like, I think we're hitting 4 months now. I knew it started at $17. I knew they would not hold that. I knew it. The market will pick what a stock is worth. I just laugh at these companies. Oh, I want this, and it's going to be like this. And yeah, it's hilarious. Hilarious. So yeah, there you go. It's almost at my price range. I wanted like $7. This thing, yeah, it was at $17.44, right? And the low, that's the low. That one has been earlier in the day. Maybe no, it hasn't been. Oh yeah, it was too. Yep, right there. Wow. I just want to check something here. Yeah, that's the lowest it's ever been. Yeah, yeah. This company, this has huge. They have this technology called eFlow technology. It's more power into the fuel cell, the hydro cell. These things replace diesel motors. If you didn't know that, a really good company, but whoever's doing the trading is a moron, straight up moron. It's suspended again. It gets suspended over 20 times a day. He's just totally screwing this company over. So whoever, I don't know who does it, obviously. I've already called them twice and they won't. It is what it is, right? They said, oh, I'll send you off an email. No. Well, can't you see the guy's screwing your company? He halts it. Every time that it goes down, he halts it. You halt it for a couple of reasons. For it to cool down, the cool down period, and for everybody to get their shit together, pretty much, right? But he's halting it. When it goes down, he halts it and waits until the volume pulls. I know what he's doing, and it's illegal, right? It's frowned upon. It's more not illegal. It's just some guidelines that you don't want to be getting caught up in. People look at this stock, and then they're like, oh, I would love to buy it, and then you see the thing halting all the time, or not halting. Sorry, the halting has to be done by like if it's a circuit breaker halt or something. That's by ARAC up here. Okay, that's by your commissionees that look after this trade stocks, the stock market. But he is actually doing his own, right? He's actually suspending it. That's different than halting it, okay? So when he's suspending it is he's waiting for it to even out, but it usually bites him in the butt because it did it to me. And I'm a very good investor, man. I would love to have me investing in my company, right? Like, you know what I mean? I cover the stock, I invest, I cover the stock if it's doing good. Even if it's doing bad, I'll give reviews on it. But this one, just because the way it trades. Beautiful company, beautiful backing, but so yeah, I just don't like whoever's controlling this. They should get me out there. I'll make this thing crank. But yeah, it's a really good website. Everything's positive. Suspended again. I rest my case. This is constant, and watch, you'll unsuspend it, and then it drops more. So what he's trying to do is trying to even it out. I understand what he's trying to do. See? He just screwed the company again. He should have just let it do its own thing. The market will find the price for this, okay? Without him doing that. So, sorry, I got worked up. Suspended again. See? Watch. At 71 cents. Watch what happens when he unsuspends it. There you go. It just dropped down. Just all these clients that bought this stock lost more money because of this asshole that just did that. Jesus, I wish you'd read this channel. Suspended again. What a tool. So, anyways, if you're watching my channel or whatever, most of these guys do when it's covering their stocks, you're an idiot. Okay? Email me, man. I want to talk to you. You're screwing this company over. Bad. So, anyways, enough of that because I'm in an awesome mood today because my baby is happening. Let's get off that junk and get on to some AMC. AMC. We get a little bit of sideways action and a little bit of a sell here, which is fine by me. We're in the $10 range, and that's all I wanted today was $10. Yep, I'm in the money on one. Right, the other one I think I'm like 3,000 behind. I think about it, like I was saying before, at $14 and some change. So yeah, anything else? Oh, here, let's jump over to some GME. Ticker symbol GME, GameStop. Currently sitting at $146.26. We're in the positive $2.12 on the green. We don't have that much volume through here today. Only 4.51 million shares have transferred back and forth, around and around and around. Okay, so only 6.38% have moved around the pot. Usually this follows with AMC. I think the investors and retail investors at big corps, I think everybody's in on this. I think they're all in on both, right? Wow. It's like the stock it sells buy. The sell and buy ratio is about the same. You notice that? See? About the same, give or take a little bit. Quarters of a percent or something like that. Nothing. But when it goes down, they match. Almost everything touches the same. Same up here, it touches almost the same. Right? See that? It means that it's even. The buyers and sellers are pretty much even on this. And they keep on dumping more shares in on this too. On this brick and mortar company here, GME. I don't have shares in this. I have some friends that do, and I hope this goes again up to the $400 range for these guys, man. Make some money. I like seeing people make money. Oh, wow. Today's flying. We only got 5 more minutes. Let's get back onto AMC. We are getting some more sideways action here. We are having issues on trying to bust this. Holy crow. 10.05 is the limit, guys. Come on. Throw some more volume in there. We need all this amount is volume. That's the problem is we need more volume right now. So that's the line of resistance right there. It's $10.05. I don't think we're going to be able to... Oh, I don't think we're going to be able to bust that, guys, today. I don't think we have enough volume. Sorry to say that, but I think that's what we're doing. Maybe after hours, I can see it, but I noticed they're not ladder attacking this. They're letting her go, right? There's a lot of eyes on this right now, man. Right? So, wow. Wow. That's crazy. Look at that. The same levels. Look at that. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Look at that. The support level. Resistance level. That's crazy. That's very rare you see that like that. Especially for that many pips. Pips me each segment. Pip segment. Or candlestick, each candlestick. Look at that. Another one. Another one. Wow. So that means the tables are even right now. And that's the consolidation. There's nothing wrong with that. Wow. That's crazy. This is what a stock should look like when nobody's screwing with it, right? There we go. We broke. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Shit. We just need more volume. Come on, guys. Somebody come in and buy like a couple thousand shares right now. Like a bunch of people. I'd probably do nothing, a couple thousand shares, but because it's such a big pot we're playing with right now, right? We've only turned over 10.72% today. Come on, come on, come on. Send us home with a breakthrough today. Send us home with a new line of resistance for after hours. We only got 3 minutes left in trading session. I'm just gonna have a look at the chart. I don't see anything else. Everything, a lot of stuff's in the red today. Like all the energy sectors are in the red. Every one of them that I'm in. That's just my portfolio. Ooh, the COVID pill took a hit today. That's where you should buy right now. It's at $9 or $10 or $1.09. I would be all over that. I would be all over that. That's their little pilot project, that one anyways. Okay, here. We got 2 minutes, 1 minute left to power hour, guys. We broke through that line of resistance. We are testing at $10.06 right now. Perfect way to end the day. I'm very, very happy with today. Very happy with today. We can keep on doing this every day, little chunks like this away. Chunk, 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 nibble, 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 nibble. It's like a mouse eating cheese, right? Just a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Within a week or so, we'll be up to a very good level, right? Especially with these cost of borrow rates are very high right now. I don't know the exact amount on that. You can follow Matt Coors. He documents all that. He's really good at documenting stuff and all that stuff. I'm more of like hands-on kind of like, let's do this now and check out stuff, and I'll give you guys the news if there's good news out and stuff like that, right? I don't dive into that stuff. I got too many stocks to cover during one session, right? Wow. Cocoon, 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 cocoon. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Like 30 seconds left. Come on, lock us out. Lock us out at a good pace. Put that up to like 8 cents, 10.08. Ugh. I seen them looking over the other side at 10.08. Did test that and drove it back down actually. So that's what we got to try to break after hours, guys. That's it. She's closed. That's it. Cha-chunk. Any second. Okay, anyways, guys. Yeah, that's it. Market's closed. Let's see. See, we went up 0.10% right after 0.30% after hours. See, I knew it was going to go up higher. Okay, so Wolfpack, keep it real. And if you want to hit the subscribe button down below, the thumbs up, all the good stuff in life, it goes a long ways for supporting our channel. Okay, you guys keep it real out there, and it's a beautiful day up here in British Columbia, Vancouver. I'm going to go outside and have some fun today. Okay, talk to you guys next time. Talk to you tomorrow, actually. Have a good day.